Computer mouses are currently one of the most common input methods we have for computers today, and what comes with that is the acting of clicking on something. You've probably lived a lot of your life working on something via computer, and you've definitely been clicking on a lot of stuff. Chances are, you're a clicking pro. That being said, what if we told you that you could earn a decent amount of extra money per click via PayPal on the net and without spending even a cent? Interested? Curious about how you can go about doing just that? Well, stick with us and we'll show you how you can earn money per click and make money via PayPal on the net, all completely for free. This is Daily Payday, the only channel you'll ever need to visit to get the best tips and tricks on how to make money online and easily. Be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get updates on any new upcoming videos, community posts, and more awesome and profitable content and strategies coming your way. Also, don't forget to leave a like because it helps us out just as much as it'll help you out in the long run. If you've got any questions or concerns, don't be afraid to leave comments in the comment section of the video down below. Today, we're going to talk about a strategy that isn't just new but also completely free and available in every part of the globe. You're ready to learn about how you can make some extra money really quick? Let's get to it then. Sit back, grab a snack, and let's get started. First up, you should make sure that you have the necessary equipment to make this work. Don't worry though, you aren't doing anything overly complicated, so you should be fine. Requirement 1, you'll need a laptop, tablet, phone, computer, or any other device that you can use for this strategy. Requirement 2, you'll need access to an internet connection. And requirement number 3, you need to know how to click. And luckily for you, you're probably already a clicking master by now. Now, if you have all 3 of those requirements, then that's great. You'll be able to use this strategy to start earning cash as soon as you finish this video. Before we continue though, we'd like you to leave a like on the video if you're enjoying it so far, and to hit that subscribe button for more updates and money-making strategy videos coming your way. Also, don't forget to watch till the end of the video because we're going to give you a special tool that will help you increase your earnings from this strategy by setting everything on autopilot in a sense. Let's get started. To start off, let's show you some proof that this strategy works pretty much everywhere around the world. You can see here from this description on this website that pretty much anyone with the 3 requirements we mentioned a while ago can join up and start earning money. Anyone from anywhere can essentially sign up for the program and start earning money within minutes of signing up. The cherry on top is that you don't have to do anything like selling anything. This isn't an affiliate program, a link shortening service, or anything that involves signing up for something, so you don't have to worry about that. We want to reiterate that you won't need to spend any money on this at all, and you'll only ever need to involve your clicking finger on this. Easy, right? In fact, this could very well be one of the easiest ways to earn money online. And with our special tool that we're going to share with you later, it's also automated and can become a passive income stream for you. Here's the basic idea for this. You, along with what is easily billions of people all around the world, have pretty much been using Google as our default internet browser. We've all been using Google, whether it's to search for something on the internet or to simply surf the World Wide Web. This will sound a bit strange, but for this strategy, we'll be using a different search engine instead of Google. For our purposes, we'll be using EntireWeb.com, which is also a free search engine that essentially operates just like Google. The main difference between Google and EntireWeb.com though is that EntireWeb.com will actually pay you for each click you get on it. If we want to be specific, we'd say that EntireWeb.com will actually pay you around 20 cents for every click that you get on it. That's equivalent to $4 for 20 clicks. Now, you might be wondering why they're paying you. It's because since Google is a massive competitor and they want to attract more web traffic and have them use their search engine. In essence, they pay you 20 cents per click because Google doesn't. In a way, that's kind of their selling point. This is a pretty tantalizing option, especially since EntireWeb.com is also free and works almost exactly like Google, but you get paid to use it. Once people hear about this, they're going to want to jump in on a bandwagon and take a slice of the pie. So you'll need to jump on this as soon as possible too. You'll also want to capitalize on the advantages given by the second website, which we're going to discuss with you in a minute. First off, we're going to talk about entireweb.com. For now, head on over to entireweb.com. Once there, you'll want to click on the menu button, which you'll find at the top right corner, and you'll be taken to a page with all of these options and categories like services, free submission, affiliate, directory, advertise, and the like. For this, you'll want to focus on only one category, the one that's going to make you money. That category would be affiliate, so go ahead and click on it. Again, you don't have to worry. Like we've mentioned earlier, you won't have to sell anything for this project to work. You don't even have to convince people to buy anything or pay for something. And you're actually getting paid right now for the clicks you're making. What's more is that you can get other people that normally use Google to start using entireweb.com instead of Google. And if they use your link, you'll stand to make 20 cents for each click that they perform. Amazing, right? Again, there are around 3 billion people who use search engines like Google on a daily basis. So there is some high earning potential here, even if you refer only about 100 people to this website. You'll notice here on this description that you'll get paid for every click you generate for them. And you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor, which is some decent pocket change. The best upside to this is that you have a high click-to-dollar rate here, since this is an absolutely free and really simple way to earn money passively. The people you refer to entireweb.com using your click only need to explore and search using entireweb.com as they normally do. Now let's talk about how you'll be paid for your efforts. You'll see on this part of the website that you'll be paid through PayPal. The minimum payout threshold for entireweb.com is around $50. It doesn't seem like a lot, but you can very easily earn $50 on this website and be able to instantly cash it out for spending on whatever you like. If you're curious about the registration process, you'll only have to create an account by clicking on the appropriate button in the site and essentially signing up for free by filling out the information in the fields of the registration page. For this, you'll enter your first name and last name and tracking ID. And finally, you'll need to enter your email address for your account. After a bit more information entry about yourself, you'll need to choose the payment methods you're comfortable with. Thankfully, PayPal isn't the only payment option they have. In this guide, we'll be getting paid through PayPal. So enter your PayPal email address, and you'll be paid as soon as you hit the payout threshold. The last thing you'll need to do is to read their terms and conditions. The whole registration process shouldn't take longer than a minute. Once you log into your account, you'll be brought to the dashboard. You'll be able to see all your campaigns here, and when you click home here on the left-hand side menu, you'll be able to track your clicks and the amount of money you've made. As your account is brand new, you'll have no clicks and a total of $0 redeemable. That will change once you start getting clicks, though. You'll be able to withdraw by clicking on My Profile and requesting a withdrawal as soon as you've reached the payout threshold. To start earning clicks, you'll need to copy your affiliate link at the top of your page onto your device's clipboard. That link is your special link which lets you get paid 20 cents per click whenever someone visits that link. In a sense, you're referring people to entireweb.com, which they can use to surf the web as they normally do using Google. For each click, you get paid 20 cents. Easy! Once you've copied your affiliate link, you can start sharing it with other people so that you can earn clicks and generate a passive income. If you want to automate this process instead of manually sharing the link with your friends, family, and other acquaintances, then you need to use this strategy, which could potentially net you millions of clicks. First, open up Google Docs. From there, open up a new blank document. Now, here on Google Docs, you can write a short call to action that will lead to your special link. As an example, we can type in "new search engine better than Google." Try out this free search engine called EntireWeb. Then, we'll insert our affiliate link after that call to action. Once you're done creating your piece, click on the File button. Select Download. Download your Docs file as a PDF document so you can save it onto your computer. With that PDF document, you can then head on over a file-sharing site called slideshare.net. SlideShare is visited regularly by millions of people all over the globe on a monthly basis. You essentially have a chance to reach those millions of people via slideshare.net. Sign up on SlideShare, upload your document, put it in a catchy or attention-grabbing title and description, choose the category, tags, and set the privacy of your document to public so that everyone can see your document. Finally, publish your document and watch the money start flowing. That's it! If you like this video and the information you learned from it, be sure to leave a like to show us some support and help our channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell because we release videos often, and each one of them is sure to help you earn some extra cash on the side to help you pay for that loan, down payment, mortgage, or any other kind of financial need that you have. Have a good day and we'll see you in the next video.